Hello sisters, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one. I have just received a product that I was dying to get my hands on. In case you haven't guessed it yet, brace yourself for the James Charles palette. Yay! Okay. Oh my god, you guys. The day I saw its reveal, it was love at first sight. Morphe is not available in India, so I had to order it online and I had to wait for a very long time. I had to pay some extra shipping, but it's finally here and it's mine. At first I thought I'll do a swatches and review video as soon as I receive it, but now I feel that only after I've used it for a couple of times, I'll be in a better position to give a more genuine and an in-depth review of the palette and its colors. So let's get started and create some slaying sister eyes with this palette. So once you open the palette, it has all these stunning colors. First off, I'm going to use this color called 518 and I'm just going to take it on my fluffy blending brush from MAC. It's a 217 brush and I'm going to take it on the brush, tap off the excess. So I'm just going to begin. And I'm going to go around my eye, like around the crease of my eye with this brush. I'm going to add the next color, which is called Rusted, and I'm just going to take it on the same brush and intensify my crease with that. And action. So blend it around in the crease and socket line. There's a certain color that attracted me to this palette a lot, which was, it's named You're Kidding in this palette, and the reason is because it's a matte finish, intense red eyeshadow, which is usually not available in any brand or any palette whatsoever. A good matte red eyeshadow is completely impossible to find till now, and now it's launched in this palette and I really wanted to use this, and I've seen the swatches and I can't wait to try it on my eyes. So let's make this eye a bit more intense and let's add red to this. So I'm just gonna dab it in the outer corner right over here. Just like that. Just going to take the same orange and apply it right under the eyes so that I have the same color continued under the eyes as well. Now I'm taking this color, which is called Love That, and I am just going to apply it on my eyelid to just give a nice contrast to the eye that is going on right now. So taking it on my flat brush this time, I am just going to apply it right on my eyelids. What I'm loving about this palette till now is that the colors are so easy to blend and does not compromise on the intensity of the colors at all. So that is what I love the most till now about this palette. The moment I apply any color, it's super intense, it's super blendable, and I don't have to worry about the color being there but not looking pretty enough. It looks stunning no matter what color I put, which is a huge deal. So I'm taking this color called Escape and I'm going to apply it on the eyelid. I'm just taking the purple and I'm just dabbing it on the eyelid. Blending it with my fluffy brush, and now I'm taking the color Love That and I'm just applying it right under the eyes among the lashes. That's all. Yes. Just to finish off the look, I'm going to apply a quick dose of mascara to my eyelashes. So I am all about those stunning lashes. I love putting mascara. I can go on and on for hours. I think nothing else makes so much difference to wear eye makeup like the mascara does. When I say that this palette can be used for anything, I mean it. To contour my face, I'm going to use a color from this palette called 10% Off, and I'm just going to use it with my Morphe E4 contouring brush, and I'm just going to contour my face with it. I'm using a color in the same palette. It's called Literally, and I'm just going to use it as a blush. So I'm taking it with my Morphe Y11 brush, and I'm just going to apply it as a blush on the cheeks. It also blends my contour beautifully to the skin, and it brings it up as a blush in a very nice transition. So I really like it like that. In the end, to highlight my skin, I'm just going to use this color from the palette. It's called Face, and I'm just taking it with my soft fluffy brush for my highlighter, and I'm just going to apply it on the cheeks as a highlighting color, right on top of the cheekbones. Do you see the amount of shine it gives off? And it's from an eyeshadow palette. Whoa. Dude. Last but not the least, I'm gonna finish off this look with my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Trophy Wife. And I'm just gonna apply that all over the lip. Finally, the look is complete, and I am an absolute love with the colors of this palette and the way they blended today. I started off with absolutely having no idea about what I want to do in this look, but I think whatever we created, I like that. I absolutely love the way all the colors blend together, and it's pure artistry. Like, it's completely an artistry based palette, and it's very glam. So I think it's the best palette that I've invested in till now, and I would definitely recommend investing in this if you're planning on buying it. And apart from that, a review and a swatches video coming very soon. Like I have a train of thoughts going on right now, which is about all the combinations I could use from the colors in this palette, and I want to experiment with each and every one of them. And right now I'm really happy with the way this look came out. It's not something very mainstream, but at the same time it's something you can really rock if you're someone who's fun, if you're someone who's bold. You can really rock this look. Why not experiment? Go bold, be fun, enjoy, unleash your inner artist, as the palette says. If you're someone who loves makeup, who loves artistry, who loves playing with colors, who loves creativity, then please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. Apart from that, if you like this video, please share. Also, don't forget to connect with me on my other social media handles. They are all mentioned in the description box. In case you want to follow this video and create the exact same makeup look, I'll be mentioning all the colors once again right underneath in the description box. And till then, see you soon. Love you. Bye, sisters.
मांगता तो कौन मांगता? ए जूली जूली, जॉनी का दिल तुम पे आया जूली, तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली। तू ही तो मेरी जान है, जान है, जान है, जान है। जोली जोली जॉनी का दिल तुम पे आया जोली, तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली, तू ही तो मेरी जान है।
हमको जॉनी नहीं मांगता, हमको पीटर नहीं मांगता, हमको साइकिल वाला माइकल नहीं मांगता।
तो कौन मांगता?
जॉनी 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 का दिल तुम पे आया जॉनी, तुझको ही माना मैंने अपना हानी, तू ही तो मेरी जान है, जान है, जान है, जान है। जॉनी जॉनी